paying attention to the XCN chart right now, you notice that we finally broke below this liquidity area of around the zone of 0.0056 after consolidating here for a while. We have this impulsive pullback due to market manipulations, which brings us all the way to the support of 0.0050 for the price of XCN right now as we speak. The RSI indicator of XCN chart shows we are currently at around the zone of 36, indicating a bearish momentum for the price of the asset, but not yet at the oversold zone, because the moment we are dropping below to around this 30 zone, that is when we'll be entering the oversold zone for the price of the asset. And that moment we are dropping below to around the 30 zone, we should brace ourselves for a bounce reversal to the upside, because the 30 zone serves as a support for the price of the asset, which you can confirm from the RSI indicator. And the MACD indicator, on the other hand, MACD line is currently crossed above the signal line. We look closely, you notice the sharp curve at the MACD line below, indicating that we might even start having a further pullback from this current zone which we are currently at right now to the downside. And this is the XCN liquidation heat map, which you can see right here, where we get to track areas of heavy liquidity in the market, areas of high liquidity areas where big players are in position in the market right now as we speak. And looking closely, you notice that we have heavy liquidity above the price of XCN around the zone of 0.0059 down to 0.0058 for the price of XCN, and also we have this heavy liquidity around the zone of 0.0052 for the price of XCN right now, which you can see right here. And these are areas where prices are likely to react towards in order to grab some liquidity. Now we should expect a bounce from this support zone in order to grab the liquidity which is above the price of XCN around the zone of 0.0059 for the price of XCN, which you can see right here. And after that, we are getting a pullback, a slight pullback, in order to retest this liquidity area of around the zone of 0.0057 for the price of XCN. Then the next move is to bounce these liquidity areas of around the zone of 0.0099 and zone of 0.0082, flip this previous resistant area of 0.0069 into a support. And that moment this zone is being flipped into a support, then we should expect a massive explosion for the price of XCN all the way to the zone of 0.012. If today is your first time coming across the channel, please do well to subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I drop a new video, and also please like and share this video to your friends and family so that their life as well be transformed from this amazing project. Over 132,000 traders has been liquidated so far, and the total liquidation comes in at over $472 million, which you can see right here. So the largest single liquidation order happens on Hyperliquid, that is on BTC/USD, which is valued for over $50 million. Now the highest liquidation amount comes from the long position, which is over $352 million, while that of short position is over $120 million. Sellers are in control of the market right now as we speak. The overall crypto market fear and greed index shows we are currently experiencing the extreme fear index of around 23%, which you can see right here. A lot of traders are now in a panic, selling their assets. We are currently selling at the orders chart against BTC, excluding the top 10 cryptos in the crypto space. This red period, which you are seeing right here, represents quantitative tightening, and this blue period represent quantitative easing. Now here's the thing, guys, the quantitative tightening has actually ended December 1st 2025, but the BTC dominance still remain the zone of 59%, which comes right here almost 60%. So as long as the BTC dominance keep on increasing from this current zone above to around the 60s to 70 areas, then we should expect a further pullback for the orders chart all the way to the support area, which you are seeing right here. And that moment we are getting a bounce reversal to the upside, then we should expect the BTC dominance to start having a pullback to around the 40 zone. And the moment we are getting to the 40 zone, it will signal a bullish momentum in the overall crypto market, the beginning of the full altcoin season, guys. Then we should expect a massive explosion for the orders chart to the upside. Anything I say here should not be taken as financial advice. Please calm down, do your deep research before you proceed with your investment decision. Always wisely with the amount you can afford to lose. The realistic price prediction for XCN for the full altcoin season is $1.20. What you think about the price prediction, please drop it in the comment section below. And that'll be all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video, and do have a lovely day.